my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, right. I've just done all of my cuticle work. Prepped the nail plates, a bit of nail prep on there. And some Ultra Bond. Now I'm going to try something completely new. Lots of different layers in my dual form today. I mean, I'm good with layering, but I've never put this many layers in a dual form before, so fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. So once your Ultra Bond has dried, we can come in with our base coat. And that can go into the lamp for a full cure. So I've already measured my dual form and go for this. Right, so I've got the clear Aura Gel. Now you just need the smallest amount of this. Teeny tiny amount. Might need a bit more than that, but let's see. No, that's plenty. Right, so in at the top. Oh, I've run out of slip solution.
There you go.
Thank you. A bit more slip solution in your dapping dish. Right, so we need the clear for our flowers to stick to. But we've still got colour to add to this, so I'm really going to stretch this thin. Obviously our flowers are going to have to be capped. Right, so I think I'm going to need a little bit more, you know. I don't want to stretch it too thin because otherwise I'll file it off. Okay, right.
Yeah.
What flowers are we going for? The yellows?
The yellow. And
I think just the yellows, because
just yellows?
yeah, we're going to be adding orange detail, aren't we? So get off my finger.
Yeah.
A couple of these as well, I think, because why not? Right, so I've got some.
Yeah, because you've got some of that.
Got some small leaves here, so I'm literally just going to chop off some of the tinier bits. Put them on there.
Right.
Right, so I'm going to.
So just grab that box.
Right, so obviously I want my flowers upside down because then they'll be the right way up on that side. I'm going to pop this one up. That's not upside down, that's upside down. Pop that one up here. I'm not going to worry about it overlapping and coming out the edge because that will file off, not a problem. Some of these just poking out. Don't forget you can keep checking how it's looking from this side. So I'm going to give this a little flash cure with the torch just so that they don't move about. And I've got a feeling the next step is where it's all going to go horrifically wrong. But we'll see. We'll see. Right, so. Yeah. Thank you. You hold that up. I've got this neon stack of pigments and I'm going to use the orange. And I'm going to use an old makeup brush, just an eyeshadow brush. But I'm going to have to be very, very careful because I don't want, it's just going to go everywhere. I was going to say I don't want it all over, but I think it is just going to go all over. So the plan is to just blowing off any excess. What I don't want to be doing is dust away any excess because then I'll smear it everywhere. There's definitely a little bit more in there than what I wanted, but I'm going to roll with it. I'm just going to roll with it. Where's my lid? Over here. I'll put the lid on this side. Right, so what I'm going to do now is very, very carefully, just carefully trim away this flower, any excess, like so, and then, oh actually that's looking quite cute, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do now is use, not the clear, I was thinking about using skin. What do you think? It's that natural one.
Yeah.
Because then that'll make the orange pop. So obviously we're going to have to be very careful at this point not to smudge the orange pigment about too much. I knew this was going to get messy. Let's hold it like this. I should have done this on a bigger nail. I've picked the world's smallest nail to work on. Right, so make sure we're nice and thin around the top here. And we're going to pull this down. This is far too much in there, Lisa. What were you thinking? Keep it nice and thin up around your cuticle. Bring that down. You know, if there is too much, we'll just file it off at the end. There's definitely too much. That's okay. I'm just going to throw this on. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Okay, I can't turn it around. Right, I'll give you the torch. Line that up. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go straight in up at the cuticle. And then I'm going to hold this down with my thumb. I can take that off. Oh, look at that pigment under that line.
Wow.
So it has spilled out the edge just a smidge, but it's not a problem. I can tidy that up with a file after. That's proper glowing. Right, so that can go into the lamp now. Put lids on products.
We've had stops, haven't we, where we've...
Okay, right, so I'm going to give this a wiggle and hopefully those flowers will stay on. Yes. Right, so I just need to tidy up these edges. Now I need to be very careful with my file. I need to take some of this length off as well. Got to be very, very careful with my filing that I don't file through that clear. Obviously I still need to file it up and I still need to buff the top. Okay, now with any luck, this will be quite pretty. Give that a really good dust. I'm going to wipe over with my nail plate cleanser as well, just to get rid of any residue. And I think, do you think a couple of crystals?
Yeah, go
Are
for
we
it.
having crystals on here?
We've not done any crystals. You can't do a set
No
without
crystals.
some crystals.
Let me just grab my... So I've got the Nailchemy Rainbow and Aura AB. So obviously these are your Rainbow and these are your Aura ABs. And it's the Aura ABs that I'm planning on using. So I need my crystal picker-upper. Now any small crystals like this I always just set in my top coat. However, if I was doing a lot more crystals or if I was using larger crystals, I definitely recommend the Crystallis Totalis. I love it. Oh, I like that pigment. Oh, I'm glad that went to plan. I really didn't think it was going to work. They're too big. Far too big. next one.
Oh wow, yeah.
Just in there, and then what I'm going to do, just use my 8mm liner, just with a bit of top coat on, and I just tend to kind of go around the crystals, not over them, because you'll take the lovely sparkly shininess away from them, but just go around them and just build that top coat up to them. Okay, pop that in the lamp on the system. And I'm going to be using the Mango cuticle oil on this one, just a drop on there, or a lot on there, as I just have done. Get rid of all of that dry skin. And there you go.
Because I don't know about your cuticles, but mine are horrendous at the minute with all the hand sanitizing.
Yeah.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.